Right then, so we're just at Donington Park, and as you can see, it's not looking good. About 20 minutes ago, Matt's just snapped socket, snap cracker bar. What's that all about? We've not got an hub nut socket. Oh dear, we've not got hub nut socket that we need, so we're gonna have to go begging round paddock. I think that'll be Scott's job in a minute. So, fourth gear's gone again. I don't know if we'll put some footage in it going again. We've probably got it. We've been here, what time is it now? 11:30, probably nearly 12 o'clock. Been here a few hours. Been a bit of a stress getting ready. We've got Matt at Suspension Secrets is here. Don't know if his van's kicking about somewhere out there, but we'll put his logo up, and we're getting somewhere with set up on golf. Come up with a few ideas. Scott went out, and when we pulled V-Box data off, absolutely smashed his best time, and we've still got tons of stuff that we could be doing. So we need to have a bit more of a play. When gearbox is sorted, we'll get some more footage of it going in and whatever if we can, and we'll go from there. But Pete's testing in KA. Robert's here for his usual look about. He's YouTube famous again. He's always in comment section, so give his comment a like if you see it. And then we've got Simon from Yokohama. And we're just trying to do a bit of everything all at once, and it's all gone wrong. Danny's M3's broke, so the Steph Smart 2 just getting dynoed, so we'll see what we can do. I'm hoping we can get this ready for dyno at 2 o'clock. Should be able to get it out on track again and test it as well, but we'll see. So we're less than an hour in, gearboxes are stripped down, got an idea what we need to do with now. We're just waiting on the other gearbox coming, and then we can get it built back up. But bit of a pain, we'll see what we can do.
Right then, so obviously we're down at track day, Donington at the minute. The Golf's encountered a bit of a problem. Gearboxes, I don't know exactly what it's done, but it's broke, so I'm having to go down, take a few more down. We've got one that we've fully built, we also support on that for the customer here, and then just a standard one. So it's up to Ryan which one he wants to put in, so I'm going to get off and see what they want.
1 hour later.
So we've got a choice of 2 gearboxes. One of them's already had some modifications to it, already got strengthening mods on, but that's just got a quaif diffing. So I think we're just going to fire that in as it is so we can make it to his dyno, and then we'll worry about what we need to do when we get back to shop. So see what we can do. Paul's good at using his head in these situations. So the gearbox is back in, bit of carnage to sort out. It's all bled. We don't need them. Grill's all clean. Coffee time. KA's getting aligned. And then Steph Smart 2 is getting done straight after. And then hopefully all 3 cars will be back out on track again. So, green light. I'm going to try and get out in Stess Mark 2 and just see what difference all them adjustments are making. So, been out in Stess Mark 2, had a lot of fun, absolutely flies, made a big difference on alignment changes. Still, we know we've got tons to do on it because everything's a mile out, but it's all big changes that need chopping, welding, grinding, adjusting. See how they go. I'll see if I can catch him coming past. Letting a KA around him. I'm not sure what's going on there. So, just packing up after a pretty long day. Still nice and bright. Had a few icy showers which slowed things down for a couple of laps, but I managed to get within a couple of tenths of Scott's time, which were pretty good, but it did require a few damper tweaks. But Mark's suspension secrets to sort it out. If you've got a race car or even a track car and you're serious about going round and being safe, give him a shout and he'll definitely speed things up. We believe we know what we're on about, and he's taught us some stuff and made sure that today we've not made any silly mistakes, that we're going out and just testing stuff that's not worth testing. So made a massive difference. So we'll get everything packed up. Taking a bit longer than I wanted it to get packed up, but we're a bit spread out a bit today. We should have had 2 garages really. See? Good day. Not sure how good this video is going to be, because I haven't really recorded as much as I have. I've had too many decisions to make and things to think about. So anyway, cheers for watching.